Hello, my name's Tom. I'm a cameraman, and I just wanted to jump on and make a bit of a plea, really, with anybody that uses clip-on microphones. So these Wi-Fi mics are incredibly common now. They're being used in broadcast as well as corporate work, videography, all that kind of thing. Most of them have a very clear brand name on them, Rode being the most common. I'm sure that most broadcasters and most corporate clients don't want to be advertising Rode necessarily. So we use the DJI Mic 2 mics, and as you can see, I have put some black gaffer over the branding. I've also turned off the flashing lights, which also look terrible. And on a lot of these devices, you have a little magnet. These ones say DJI in big white letters, and I've got a black Sharpie and I've just scribbled over that. So when this is put under clothing, all you see is a little black square, if you see anything at all. The other tip, nearly all of these mics, you can plug a lav mic in, a wired lav mic. Do that. Don't clip it on. Don't have a big fluffy shoved in someone's face. It takes 2 seconds to plug in a lav mic, pop this in their pocket, clip a lav mic on. All these mics, if you plug the softy that comes with them in, you can normally put the whole thing inside someone's clothing and not even see it. So your choice, of course, but it takes 2 seconds just to cover the branding and just to make these look that little bit more professional. They're great mics.